What's up everybody? Good afternoon. अभी मैं पहुंच गया ang sopega tabung no Pondicherry Sopedrop. Just now I arrived at Pondicherry. It's an amazing view right in front of me guys. Ab logo you guys are getting the seashore sound. The tides are really high. It's dangerous. The tides are really dangerous here. There is nothing such activities can be done right here. And I need to move to Rock Beach right now after I keep all my things in the hotel room. I'll be booking a scooty right from here and enjoying this beautiful place. It's a gloomy day today, so it's might be it will rain today, I guess. Really dangerous. So this is the view, guys. Look at this.